right. My name is Demetrius Anderson. I drive a 2025 Honda Elantra. I've been driving with Honda Elantra for a year and 2 months now. It sounded like a nice bonus, but when we were looking, into like what's the promise and everything like that, we just wanted to make sure that it was real and not fake. I was like, really? And it was a very exciting experience for me and my wife as well. Especially we love to travel, so it's perfectly fine. Like it's a very good experience, honestly. When we first came in here to get it taken care of and everything like that, the service was good as always, and they are excellent as far as Angela specifically. She's really good, very patient and everything, very good with communication. So her and the manager Manny took care of us really good. It would have been most likely between 2 to 500. Yes, absolutely. To come in here for another service and then finding out that the tires was free, like those was, and you guys made good on your promise, that actually made me very, very much enjoy inside. I will say that, I am a United States Marine, so, honor and what people give their word to is a very good thing. So you guys kept your word to me, so I would recommend it 120%.